It's just I like going on adventures. And it's raining outside, and I have all this energy.
Ah, adventures. So why didn't you say so? I have them things all the time. I love a bit of a disco.
Disco?
Triggs, what's happening?
Maddie, we seem to be on board some kind of a train.
And not just any old train. It's my magical disco train.
Magical disco train?
All aboard!
Everybody thinks I'm just a frumpy, grumpy gran who's only ever interested in tea. But come and take a spin on board my magic disco train, and pretty soon I think you will agree I am a super funky granny and I drive the disco train. There's more to me than biscuits, tea and chat. I love to keep it wild, adventure is my middle name.
And we have to say we weren't expecting that. Triggs, this is so cool!
I know, Maddie. I wonder what else Granny gets up to.
Are we all ready for takeoff?
Take off?
I didn't mention that it was a flying train, did I?
A flying train?
Sometimes when I realize the biscuits are all gone and there's nothing in the house to dip in tea, I take a spin across the sky to visit Mr. Moon and buy a tasty box or 2 or 3.
Hello, I'm Mr. Moon. Any interest in a spoon or a candle or this tub of mayonnaise? I sell woolly socks and cuckoo clocks and this here fancy biscuit box and myriad things to brighten up your day.
She is a super funky granny and she drives a disco train. She is full of surprises, as you'll see. She loves to keep it wild, adventure is her middle name, but you really cannot beat a cup of tea.
Whoa, Triggs!